I'm at London Heathrow Airport.
Right now, I'm at the Beijing South Railway Station.
I'm about to take a flight to...
About to take the high-speed rail to Suzhou. But if you think that's all there is to Suzhou, well, you're just getting started. Over there is the other side of this amazing city. Young, dynamic, efficient, and daring. I've invited an entrepreneur friend from the UK to come and explore these two worlds together. And right now, he should be setting out from Shanghai, so I'd better get to the Suzhou railway station to pick him up. Hello, Athan.
Hey, good to see you, Alex.
Wow.
Finally, we're here.
Good to meet you.
Nice
So,
to see you
how was
again.
your trip?
It was wonderful. It took just 20 hours to get here.
All I can say is after all that time, you still arrived right on time.
Oh, amazing.
Let's go this way.
Excellent. You must be jet lagged, mates. The car park is that way.
We're not taking a car today. We're going to do something special that's unique to Suzhou. We're jumping on a boat to get around this city.
Seriously?
Come on, check it out.
Amazing. Okay. Cheers, cheers.
Yeah. So you can see this waterway is going around the old city. Suzhou is quite special in terms of transport, you know. I saw on the map that the distance to get from Cambridge to London is also the same as to get from Shanghai, where you came from, down here to Suzhou.
I was doing a little bit of homework on that. China's high-speed rail is the largest in the world. There's 50,000 kilometers on track. That's more than the rest of the world's high-speed rail all put together. Just absolutely mind-blowing.
And what's interesting is it's still growing, isn't it? They're still building something more every year.
So what's that about?
So this is a special style called Pingtan. This has got a history of maybe 400 years.
Would you say that Suzhou is known mainly as a historical place, or is it also known as an industrial hub?
No, that's a tricky question, and I think in the next few days we're going to find out that the answer is both.
Oh, can't wait.
You know, I was really excited to come down here and pick you up and show you all around this beautiful city, but I want to know exactly what are you looking for and what would you like to achieve while you're here?
Well, I'm a tech guy, as you know. My ventures work in chemistry and material science. One of the challenges we have in the UK is scaling up. So anything to do with advanced materials, robotics, artificial intelligence, energy, batteries. You know, if it's techie and if Suzhou is doing it, I want to get to know it.
Okay, sounds like the plans I got so far, but I'm going to look for a few more. We're going to have a busy time, but it's going to be a fun time.
Looking forward to it.
All right.
Wow. Amazing.
Excellent, let's try.
Oh, wow, look at that. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside.
Absolutely, and I love that sweet and sour flavor.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Try this.
Wow. I think there's a little bit of tofu in there.
And something about the greens here is that they're extremely fresh. That's very important here in Suzhou food.
The freshness.
You can really taste that it's of the season. It's right this moment. And it's also, if we come back here a month from now, we'll see different vegetables on the table. Whatever is best right now, that's what they're going to serve us.
That's the way to do it.
Okay, let's go. I booked this place because I saw online that there's a lot of very modern aspects of this hotel, so I'm really excited to show you around.
Alex,
Hi.
is that for real?
Wow. This robot's name is Wanda. Wanda is the new staff member here at the hotel.
When I think of cleaning robots,
Yeah.
I typically think of small vacuum cleaners on wheels.
Right, exactly. But this one's got arms, and you see the joints are very complex, aren't they? You
Yeah.
know, very many angles going on.
So housekeeping is basically getting automated.
Well, maybe one day nobody will have to make a bed ever again. Suzhou has got a big push going on for robotics and artificial intelligence. This may not be the last time you see one in this visit.
Absolutely. That's one of the reasons I'm here.
Look how tiny it is. Just like a finger joint, isn't it?
This is
Could be
still the
very,
world's
very small.
smallest string wave gear. So we call that size 2.5. Means it's a 0.25 inch of the pitch circle diameter.
Yeah.
That's about 6.2 millimeters.
So is this in use in a lot of applications?
It wasn't until humanoid come into the scene, right? In humanoid, you have a hand. Right now, like I think the most advanced technology, you have 22 degrees of freedom for one hand. So we have a lot of challenge to make those.
Can we look into how it works?
So basically, like your motor input will attach to this wave generator. So it will spin at a very high speed. Through this gearing, will reduce that speed, but at the same time amplify the torque output. So that will give you a very small package, but very high torque output. In 2003, there's only one company, like it's a harmonic drive in Japan, that are capable of making those string wave gears that are production worthy for the robots. Why I say production worthy is like the robot requires them to last long. That's what's difficult for those is not to make them initially that have the precision or like a stiffness. It's make them last like years, still have the precision and the stiffness.
What percentage of your business comes from humanoid robot gears, and how do you expect it to grow over the years?
2 years ago, it occupies about like 5% of our business, and last year it was like 20%. We expect this year to triple.
Triple?
Yeah, maybe by the end of the year, we'll see 50% of our business come from humanoid. Like it's very fast-growing business.
我们这个生产线呢是一个全自动化的这样一个生产线，从上料、加工、检测完全是自动完成的。在我们之前的话，这个日本的企业它都是全球的独家垄断。现场用的这个机械臂呢，都叫做协作机械臂。这个机械臂里面用到的所有的关节都是由我们这个在这个产线上面生产的。
所以你们是自己的客户了。
对。我们在技术上面主要有2大突破，一个呢是我们的劈心齿。 下面就是我们的这个劈心齿，上面是传统的齿，它的这个齿高会更低，需要的齿轮的变形量减小。还有一个，我的齿宽会比较宽，提高它的强度。另外一个呢，我们有一个3点裂合的这个3次谐波减速器，这也是我们在全球独创。整个减速器的强度、精度可以得到一个刚性提升，可以提高30%以上的寿命。
I think we saw some of that in Wanda yesterday.
Oh,
We got a
absolutely.
feel for her moving around the room and the tasks. There was obviously a lot of dexterity. She was very nimble in the movement.
We criticized her yesterday for being a bit slow, but definitely she is, she's not going to hurt anybody. Yeah, very interesting. So, Athan, have you heard of driverless cars?
Yeah, I've heard of them.
Yeah, so actually Suzhou has a lot of driverless taxis. They're becoming more and more common on the streets now.
Okay.
Here's one now.
Look at that. Something's coming very slowly.
Awesome. Hello, Shifu.
Is anyone hiding in there? No?
Nobody there.
Okay.
Safety
Right.
first.
Safety first.
Yes.
All
Look
right.
at that, it closes by itself. So far, I'm feeling pretty safe, pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Well, we've had our very first time riding one of these robo-taxis. Pretty exciting, huh?
Yeah. So, where is this taxi taking us?
This robo-taxi is taking us to where robots do their learning.
Very interesting.
Yeah, I'm excited.
我们这个夹爪上面还特别安装了2个摄像头。当他去抓取一个东西的时候呢，这个摄像头也会指导他去精准的抓取。我们这个实验室呢，主要是做具身智能方面的研究和创新。我们特别注重跟产业的结合，从数据的采集到算法的设计，一直到具身智能在产业里面应用的场景，我们都在联合的打造。
Alex mentioned that right here in Suzhou, you can build robots from design to the finished product, all using parts components available locally. Could you tell us more about that?
具身智能呢，它是分成2部分，一部分是本体，一部分是它的大脑。苏州呢，它是一个制造业非常发达的城市，在机器人的材料设计、结构设计、机械设计是有很好的基础。在人工智能赋能机器人的这个大脑这一块，我们有全国的算力网络的长三角枢纽，也有大量的制造业的企业能够提供真实的数据， 而数据就是具身智能大脑训练的必备的元素。从技术的链条的研发到产业的落地，形成了一个闭环的很好的一个良好生态。
地铁看我们太空过。
Huh? What's this one?
It's a guide dog for the blind people. It can navigate and avoid obstacles and perform voice interaction.
Wow, that's amazing.
It can lead the blind people for travel safely.
Oh, wow.
Currently, we have built 5,200 square meters training center with 10 mainstream training scenarios, including household, industrial, commercial applications, and so on. Our main responsibility is public service to development of the robot companies. The robot is still training now. Each time our engineer demonstrates a move and it learns it. The more it learns, the more precise its movements become. Just like a child learning how to walk.
So how many repetitions does a robot need to do before it can learn a new task?
Over 10,000. And then they can really enter into our life.
It's a lot like Wanda, isn't it?
I think it is Wanda. We met her before.
Yeah, Wanda.
Oh, so Wanda's actually a very busy lady.
Yeah.
She's got a lot of things to do. Athan, there's something really special about this place, which is that it's publicly funded and all of the AI and robotics companies can come here and do their training. Then all of the data produced becomes public property. And that means that all of the companies can share it and they can use it to push the whole industry forward together.
进入表演模式。
Do you think we could learn that? Let's try and follow it.
I like your moves.
Right?
Look at it.
Wow, isn't it amazing? All of this technology and the way that they're training over and over and getting better and better. It's pretty cool, huh?
Very impressive.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Who's this?
Well, this is a product of Genexon AI. It's called L1.
L1, okay.
Yeah, the world's first ultra impact.
Oh, very
It can
cool.
be applied in industrial inspection, power inspection, emergency response, and security patrol.
Oh, okay, so not just a pet.
Not just a pet.
It can go into dangerous
You
places?
can definitely operate in different and complex environments. Right now, we're already applying this product in industrial and power, etc. However, the most potential market, I think, is the consumer level.
So they'd be helping us out around the home,
Of course.
keeping us,
assistant.
making sure that we're not lonely.
Exactly.
Yeah. Can we actually take it out and
Yes,
try it in the
yeah,
real
no
world?
Problem, no
Yeah?
problem, yeah.
Oh, brilliant. We'll look after it very well. Or maybe it will look after us.
Exactly.
Definitely. So this is the UW beacon. Give it a try.
Look what I got. Hee Come on.
Go, 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 go.
All right, here we go.
Wow.
Excellent. That's it. This is my new favorite toy. I absolutely love it.
Right?
Really?
Yeah, it works really well. And we think we could give you another challenge now.
Okay.
Do you think you could program one of these? It could maybe give us a tour of a park, a place like this, maybe have a camera, take some pictures, do some filming for us.
Just like a tour guide, yeah?
Exactly.
Okay, got it. So we haven't done that yet, but give us a few days, we'll make it happen.
Cheers. Nice. You know that Suzhou has two faces, we could say. On the one side, it has the historical, the traditional, and these have been preserved very well. But at the same time, Suzhou's industry and Suzhou's economy is huge. Really, they have both the ancient and the modern. It's spectacular, isn't it?
It is, it is.
我们说拍视频嘛，它的稳定性和流畅度怎么能保证？
底部的话，我们做了一个转接支架，沿这两个坐标轴对称的方向。本身这个轮轴的话，它这个材质的话也是带点减重的，然后这个关节的话也有缓冲的作用。
Whoa, check it out.
Yeah, this is called the Gate of the Orient. It's currently one of the new landmarks here in Suzhou, and it's also the world's tallest arched gateway building. Just now I made a coffee. Have a look at it.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yes.
Can I put my kids on that?
Hey, yeah, why not?
觉得做一个课程训练吧。
AI, draw the picture. Are you ready?
Excellent.
You see how the joints here, they're very well made, and the movements are so
Yeah.
smooth and
Very
accurate, aren't they? Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, that's incredible. Look at the detail on that.
是有点晃，这个地方太高，整体都要下鼓。
夹角还蛮稳的。
直线跑出距离其实是没有偏差的。
It's Changshu Lake, the most beautiful place and also one of the landmarks here in Changshu City. People in Changshu have a very good leisure place and have a very good balance of life and work. The government are very supportive in every way, from the process, from administration level, and even after we are settling here, they really look after us. They have all those policies about promoting the talent, how they help them settling down here. That's a good part about it too.
Whoa, what's this one?
It's a flying car that's made out of carbon fiber.
All carbon fiber, so it must be very light, huh?
Less than 100 kilos.
Wow.
It's autonomous, so you can just fly from one point to another point directly.
Ooh, I like that.
That's convenient.
Let's get one.
So this part actually is one of the main part of the whole process where actually carbon fiber is really formed. So that's why when we are talking about the carbon fiber manufacturing, this is the forming part. What you are seeing here is a highly automated gluing line. The robotic arm is busy putting the glue onto one part so that it can be stick to another part.
So who's helping who? Is the robot helping the people or the people helping the robot?
For this working station, it's more like people helping the robot. The robot is doing its main job, while you can observe that there are some people by the working station. Their job is just to make sure the part is like at its right position.
Okay, we know who's the boss around here then, don't we?
Definitely.
Wenjin, thank you so much for showing us around. We learned so much about carbon fiber in a short time, didn't we? But we'd really like to know, what's the attraction of coming to Suzhou or to this area for companies like yours?
Suzhou area is always known as one of the most industrial developed area in China, which people might also know as a Yangtze Delta area. So the government will also show great support to the companies. Automotive, medical science, and now there's robotic and artificial intelligence.
How does the support happen? Is it tax breaks or something else?
It's all, I would say. From tax to tariffs, they also help you to settle the people here. Actually, they organize different kind of events to help you to line up with upstream and downstream companies too.
I'm especially curious about navigating permissions or permits. Well, every industry is regulated, some more regulated than others. And in my sector especially, we find that environmental permits can sometimes delay us or make the process very, very difficult to navigate through. What's your experience trying to get up and running with the necessary permissions?
For example, the R&D center you're at now, from the basic infrastructure to the establishment, we only took 9 months to do all the things.
The first time I heard that number, I thought it was wrong. I don't know of many things that can happen in 9 months. It's so impressive.
This is what we keep hearing about, is China's speed, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
How long have you been here in Suzhou, and how do you find it so far?
Well, I've been here in Soochow since 2008. I absolutely love it. Not only the people, the environment, it's absolutely a fantastic place to live.
Why so many coffee shops over here?
Not many people know that the Kunshan Soochow area is one of the biggest industrial hubs into processing coffee. It's been raised in Yunnan, bring here to be processed and then sold here and exported to the world. No? Just have a sip, it's a super good coffee.
All right, let's give this a try then.
Basically, you are right at the heart of our production capacity in China. Here is where we produce basically the products for metal division, for automotive division, where we do our stamping solutions and cutting metal processing solutions. I think historically we have seen two-phase innovation. One innovation that came from the West and one innovation that right now is coming from the East. The future, not for our company, but for the world, is how we do a hybrid innovation, no? How we take the best of the East and the best of the West to provide better solutions for a better world. Probably China as a market, as an innovation place, was an option 10 years ago. Now I will say that it's mandatory. You have to find what this market means for you. Could be a market to buy, could be a market to sell, could be a market to innovate, but for sure, I believe that you cannot live with this reality.
There you go. The wind is blowing east and you put up your sail, you come with it.
I'm going to take that message to my board.
Right? Good choice. I thought we were coming to a factory, but look at this. We're really in Suzhou.
Look at that.
Yes.
Wow.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, this is my friend Athan.
Hey.
Hi, nice to see you.
Yeah.
Here we have our injection molding department. This department was established in 2022. This was one of the biggest steps in the whole development of Burkhardt in China because we really started to localize injection molding, which was before a core competence in Germany. It made us much more competitive. Our target is also to establish a digital factory. Digitalization and automation is much easier to establish in China because programmers, engineers, automation companies are much more competitive than they are overseas in Germany. In the early years, we were bringing the expertise of production and technology. Now it has turned the other way around. We are bringing the Chinese expertise and the Chinese speed back to Germany in order to be competitive in our German locations as well.
Both of you guys are here from Germany. You've been here a long time. How is it living here, doing business here? Do you find everything that you need?
In Taicang, it is very open, very friendly. Everything is there and also quite well prepared to buy some pretzels, to have a good bakery, also find the German beer.
Once a year in, I think, September, we have the beer festival in Taicang, which is really famous.
I think we need to come back for that. Huh?
East and West, German beer and local beers, I'm sure, are plentiful.
Excellent. Wow!
Whoa!
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at this Frankenstein's monster we've created.
Is this thing on? Hello?
I think it should be watching us now.
Okay.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Let's go! Oh, look at that!
Hey! All right, let's see how he handles his first challenge, huh?
Okay. Well,
Going up the bridge.
makes it look easy.
Yeah. So can you see this tower and how it's on a little bit of a lean?
It is actually.
This is the Tiger Hill Pagoda. Actually, it was built earlier than the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and it's on a more serious angle. So the question is, how much longer can it lean?
More than 5 minutes, I hope.
Let's hope so.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, a new friend.
That looks
Hi.
like...
Ooh, tricky.
Oh, look at that.
Hello, nice to meet you. See this gate over here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, actually, that's an ancient part of the city walls that were established when Suzhou was first built as the capital of the Wu Kingdom.
Oh, wow.
And that was over 2,500 years ago. Can you believe it?
Wow, very impressive.
Yeah.
Suzhou is famous for its classical gardens, its ancient canals, but it's also building more modern spaces.
It's incredible, isn't it? The ancient and the modern side by side. You know, this is what I said when you arrived, that we're going to see an amazing city, and here we are, enjoying every second.
True to your words.
Yep. When planning this trip, I really wanted to make sure that I could show Athan as much as possible about the industrial strength of Suzhou. Hi. I never imagined that I would learn so much about the importance of being in the right place to get things done. With the creation of humanoid robots or advanced materials from upstream to downstream, a lot could be delivered in one place.
All of these things together make a huge difference. The ecosystem seems to be very mature. The policy and the institution seem to be in the right place, to be moving at a different sort of pace. Foreign companies, in the early days, they felt that China really needed them. But over the years, the tables have turned. They need China just as much, if not more. The rest of the world really has to take a look at what is going on here and learn from this, because this is how you will accelerate the development of AI, the development of robotics and embodied intelligence and all of that stuff. I think it's fair to say that this week has changed my mind about quite a lot of things. I'm very much intrigued about what Suzhou might have in store for myself and my companies.
Are you starting to consider maybe setting up something here?
Yes, I would like to explore that.